Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a poll on YouTube channel. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. So this what you need to do is enter on your community. And here you have 4 options. One of them is text poll. So click on that. And now you may ask community what you need. For example, what episode you want tomorrow. How to download. Okay. And as you can see, that's all. You may have 5 options maximum. And you may set it for only for channel members or on public. Okay, and that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. I have hope that I helped you. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye and see you next time.